Hey guys, welcome to Serena's Sunny Days. This is the first Sunny Days of 2015, so happy 2015 everybody. If you're new here, Serena's Sunny Days is my weekly vlog video. They come out every Sunday. This week's different, it's Monday. But every Sunday, new vlog about my life here in Boston, sometimes in Seattle, maybe other places, we'll see. So here's what happened this week. Enjoy! Welcome to Serena's Sunny Days 2015! Yay! I'm back! So, I haven't been on here lately, so you don't know what's going on. So we're supposed to have a blizzard. Like, legit, insane blizzard. And it's starting. It snowed a couple days ago, which was great. But, we're supposed to have like 2 to 4 inches every hour, starting in a couple hours. So I'm taking my last walk until I can't go outside anymore. That's beautiful. Look at this. It's so pretty. It's cold.
Is it a minus or a plus? Does it not equal enough?
If you can't do the math, then nothing adds up. Tell me why I'm here. Tonight's so bright. Hi. Ow! I'm sorry. It's the morning of the blizzard. I just walked out to the common room to see outside. We have a snowdrift against our window. And then here's what it looks like outside. This is what being in a blizzard is like. This is crazy. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Do you see like all that snow just coming in? I touched that. Okay.
We're about to brave the storm. Is it smart? Probably not. Is it gonna be fun? Yes. This is so cool. There is no one out here. Oh my goodness gracious.
It's a marshmallow world in the winter when the snow comes to cover the ground. It's the time for play. It's a whipped cream day. I wait for it the whole year round.
Blizzard breakfast. Yeah, no regular silverware or plates. It's my birthday and we got the day off, so we're playing in the snow. With people over there too. But it's so deep, look at this. I don't know if you saw that. Let's go play! I have snow in my butt, which doesn't feel good. I have snow in my butt, which doesn't feel good. Yeah. All the sledding. All the bright colored people sledding. Well, that was fun. I look, wow. My hair's doing all sorts of stuff. Cold. Birthday dinner. This is an interesting look. I did not realize this. Is these yummy things. With these people.
With these yummy people.
Yeah.
We are quite yummy.
And more people to come.
Is that a carrot?
Yeah.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Serena.
Somebody's harmonizing.
Birthday to you. Cha cha cha.
Yay! We just had really yummy food at this DH. Also, it's snowing. Woo! Hooray! Prettiness! Yay!
Final score, yours and Lions 66, and the Pioneers 61.
Sometimes you just gotta have late night chicken tenders and onion rings and Nantucket nectars with your best friend.
I don't know why I just did that. That was really weird.
game food. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this week's vlog. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed already, do that. There will be links at the end of this video to do that. And also write a comment, maybe. Tell me what you like, what you want to see, all that good stuff. Till next time, be safe, stay happy, and keep smiling. See ya!